bull run continued in the market as both international and domestic factors contributed to the movement of Indian markets. On global level, there is optimism regarding US-China trade talks, and on domestic level, there is hope that economy has finally revived in October, and now there are positive earnings report as we saw today from SDFC. And beside this, there is also expectations that government will come up with some revival for the tax in the Indian stock markets. So all this led to gain, and Indian markets today extended their gains for 7th straight day. Sensex gained 137 points and closed at its new record high at 40,302, while Nifty also gained 55 points to close above 11,900 at 11,945. If we talk about biggest gainers on Nifty, they were Bharti Infratel, JSW Steel, Bajaj Finserv, Coal India and Infosys, while the biggest losers were Zee, IOC, Maruti, Hero MotoCorp and IndusLand Bank. Nifty Mid Cap Index today fell by 0.1%, while Nifty Small Cap increased by 0.14%. Nifty Metal was the best performer index of Nifty as they gained by 2.8%, and it was followed by Nifty IT, which also increased by 0.8%. If we talk about biggest losers of indexes, then Nifty Media lost maximum and was down by 3%, while Nifty Auto was down by 1.4%. If we talk about individual stocks, then telecom stocks were rallying today, and specifically Vodafone Idea and Airtel after the report that government may increase the time period for new dues due to AGR to 20 years, and there might be some tax concessions as well. While Yes Bank stocks fell 4% in the morning after poor earnings performance, but then Yes Bank CEO Ravneet Gill spoke in an interview that there are offers from multiple bidders for stake in the bank, which will help bank in the growth capital. There are bids for more than $1.2 billion from strategic investors as well as private equity investors. Now, bids from private equity investors they only bid for the companies whose value will increase in the medium to long term after the company is taken to potential. So this gives signal to the market that there is much better performance for company in the future. That's why PE has given bid for this company. When Gill said this, the stock started improving and they went in the green. But then finally they ended with a decline as stock fell 0.75% on Bombay Stock Exchange. While at the same time, it was also reported by Gill that the weak slippages of the company were not due to slowdown in economy, but due to the incidents like CCD and CG Power slippages, and those events were not something you could have anticipated. Now, beside this, HDFC today also came up with the earnings report, and it was quite good as revenues surged by 19.9% to 13,487 crore, while net standalone profits stood at 3,961 crore and NII stood at 3,771 crore. While Infosys share also gained after companies said it had no evidence to support whistleblower's claim, that the claim was that the company and CEOs and top management are using aggressive accounting practices for increasing the profits and also other complaints regarding the management. And now the company has come up with a report that all those claims have not been supported by any evidence. So this gave boost to the stock and it rose by 3.3%, and now Infosys is expected to submit its findings to the stock exchanges of the country. If you like this video, then click on like button. Also subscribe the channel, and for more videos like this, stay with us.
आपको अगर हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक करें, साथ ही YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मोर अपडेट्स जानने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाना न भूलें।